In this video, I'll show you how to remove a device from your Peacock account. Step 1, log into Peacock. Go to peacocktv.com on your browser and log in with your Peacock credentials. Step 2, go to account settings. Click your profile icon in the top right, select account to access account settings. Step 3, access devices section. Select the devices tab or menu. This shows all devices signed into your Peacock account. Step 4, sign out of devices. Click sign out all to remove all devices. Confirm in the pop-up window. Peacock rarely allows individual device sign out, so you will have to do all devices at the same time. Step 5, reset password if needed. If you don't recognize a device, reset your password to ensure unwanted users are removed. Follow the password reset prompts and confirm via your email. Now I have some tips for device management. You may need to sign back in on your main device after signing out from all devices. Not all platforms allow individual device removal. Most require signing out all at once. For help, you can contact Peacock support through the help center, and you can also leave a comment in the comments and I'll try to help you. That was how you remove a device on your Peacock account. If you found this video helpful, subscribe. Bye.